Insta360 Flow. Using the Insta360 app. Welcome to the Insta360 Flow app tutorial. Learn how to use the Insta360 app when connected to Flow. Connect your Flow in the Insta360 app. Shooting mode. Swipe to switch between different shooting modes. Video, time-lapse, time shift, slow motion, widescreen mode, pano photo, menu settings. Shot Genie. Shot Genie uses AI to recommend shooting templates tailored to the scene. There are two ways to access Shot Genie. You can turn scene recognition and voice control on or off in general settings. Flash. Click to turn flash on or off. Filters. Tap to apply different filters to videos and photos. Face filters. Click to turn on or off. Gesture control. You can choose to use hand gestures to start shooting and tracking, or turn off the feature. General settings. Add a histogram or grid. View device information and access tutorials. Gimbal settings. Choose gimbal shooting mode and other settings. Parameter settings. Adjust shutter, ISO, EV and white balance, resolution and frame rate. Change resolution and frame rate. If the smartphone is at an uneven angle, you can use the auto calibration function. Fully extend the tripod and turn the smartphone horizontally. Auto calibration. Don't move the gimbal or phone until calibration is complete. If your phone is still uneven, you can manually adjust the horizontal axis in gimbal settings. Make sure the magnetic phone clamp is at the center of your smartphone and aligned with the tripod. Creative trick. Electric surge. You can use AI features to add awesome effects to your videos. For information on other features, check out the rest of our Flow tutorial videos.